Hey everyone, this is Yair from Carson Optical, and today we're going to be checking out the BoaMag. The BoaMag is versatile and has multiple functions. It can be used as both a hands-free and a freestanding magnifier. It can help aid you in installing needles, threading your machine, or viewing stitches and patterns. The BoaMag has a 20-inch coil to use as a freestanding magnifier, or you can wrap the coil around a sewing machine for entirely hands-free application. One side of the BoaMag has a light and a 2.5 times lens with a 5 times spot lens magnifier. The other side has a 3-bulb LED flashlight. The BoaMag uses 3 AAA batteries and includes an AC adapter. Please visit our website, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and leave a comment below. Thank you.